Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss about physics general knowledge. Okay, as we know that science GK is an important topic for all kinds of examinations like railway, SSCs, etc. And science GK are equally important for different state government exams also. Okay, and today we will discuss about units. Okay, the different units, as we know that we have different system of units, SI unit, and then CGS unit, MKS units, and FPS units. Okay, these are the different types of units, different system of units. And SI units means international system of units. These units are internationally recognized. Okay, and CGS unit is C stands for centimeter, G stands for gram, and S stands for second. And in MKS unit, M means meter, K means kilogram, and S means second. Okay, and FPS unit is unit. F stands for foot, P stands for pound, and S stands for second. Among these units, SI unit is recognized internationally. So we will discuss about here the SI units. Okay. Number 1, length, and its SI unit is meter, and its symbol is small m. Okay. Please remember, length and its SI unit is meter and its symbol is small m. Number 2, mass. Mass means its SI unit is kilogram and its symbol is kg. Okay, and I hope all of we are familiar with these units. Okay, we know meter, we know kilogram, and we know second. And second is the SI unit of time. Okay, and symbolically it is written as like this. Okay, small s. Next, number 4, it is electric current and its SI unit is ampere. Okay, and it is written as in symbolically capital A. Number 5, temperature. Its SI unit is Kelvin and it's K. Okay, and number 6 is luminous intensity. Its SI unit is candela and it is written as CD. Okay, next, number 7, amount of substance. Its SI unit is mole and in symbols it is written as MOL, mole. Okay, I hope all of you have understood these 7 basic units. Okay, now let us come to the next point. Other units of mass. Okay, other units of mass are pound. Okay, pound, quintal, metric ton, AMU, then Chandrasekhar limit are the different units of mass. Okay, and 1 pound equals to 0.4537 kg. Okay, and 1 quintal equals to 100 kg, 1 metric ton equal to 1000 kg, and 1 Chandrasekhar limit equals to 1.4 times of the mass of sun. Okay, please remember it. Chandrasekhar limit is 1.4 times of the mass of Sun. Okay. Next, one AMU. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. Please remember it. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. Okay. And 1 AMU equals to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay. Now let us discuss two questions. Okay. Question 1. Which of the following is not a unit of mass? Okay. Which of the following is not a unit of mass? Number 1, AMU. Next, gram. Next, Chandrasekhar limit. And option D is none. And as we have discussed above, AMU is a unit of mass and gram, it is also a unit of mass. Next, this is also a unit of mass. So here the answer will be option D, none. Okay. I hope all of you have understood this question. Now come to the next question. 1 pound is equal to 0.555 kg. Option B 0.453 kg. Option C 0.5 kg. Option D none of the above. As we have learned here that 1 pound equals to 0.4537 kg. Okay, and here we will tick here in the option B, that is 0.453 kg. Okay. Next, other units of length. Okay. Other units of length are light year, next parsec, next nautical mile, Armstrong, inch, foot. Light year, parsec, nautical mile, Armstrong, inch, and foot. These are the different units of length. Okay, and 1 light year equals to the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay, please remember it. 1 light year equals to the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay. Next, 1 parsec equals to 3.26 times of light year. Okay. Next, 1 nautical mile. Okay. Nautical mile is used by the sailors in the sea. Okay, and 1 nautical mile equals to 1.852 kilometer or 1852 meter. Okay, please remember it. Next, 1 Armstrong equals to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, and 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter, and 1 foot equals to 12 inch. Please remember it. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter and 1 foot equals to 12 inch. Okay, please remember it. Please take a screenshot and make a note. Next, question 3. Which of the following is not a unit of length? Okay, nautical mile, this is a unit of length. Nanometer, you see this meter is a unit of length, so nanometer is also a unit of length. Okay, see this is centimeter, as meter is a unit of length, hence centimeter is also a unit of length. Okay, next, pound. As we have discussed above, the pound is a unit of mass. So here the answer will be pound, as pound is a unit of mass, and we are asked to find which of the following is not a unit of length. Here the answer will be pound. Okay, I hope you all have understood this question. Similarly, other units of time are solar day, year, weeks, months, leap year, lunar month, tropical year, etc. Okay, I hope all you have understand the different units. Okay, please don't forget to note it down in your copy, and please wait for our next video. And if you like our video, please share it, please comment in our comment section. Okay, and have a nice day. Bye bye.